Hey guys, it's Allison. Today I'm going to show you this eye look that I have on using our Tarteist Pro palette. I love this palette. I really haven't used it in a while just because I've gotten caught up in the newness like we all have, but I am obsessed with this palette. The shadows are just so pigmented and so blendable and I love it. So if you want to learn how I did it, then keep on watching. Alright, so first I'm going to take our Shape Tape Contour Concealer and I'm going to prime my eyelids just so our shadows go on smooth and flawless. Blend, blend, blend. Just use your finger. The warmth of your finger is really going to blend it out. Next, I'm taking our Tarteist Pro Amazonian Clay palette, and I'm taking the shade Classic just to set that concealer. Next, I'm going to buff the shade Whimsy into my crease and blend upwards. I love this shade so much. Blend, 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 my friend. This formula is so blendable and so pigmented. It's one of my favorite palettes that we make ever. Next, I'm going to take the shade Mod and I'm just going to pack that onto my outer corner and just smoke it upwards into a V, if you can see that V formation right there. And then I'm also going to put that on the inner corner because we're creating a halo effect. I love this shape. I don't know, I feel like it's trending and I love that it changes the shape of your eye. Very Bella Hadid. Just gonna blend, blend, blend and put it on your lower lash line as well. And I'm just gonna do the same thing on the other eye, blend it upwards and outwards. And I am blending, blending, blending until I have carpal tunnel. Now I'm going to take our Chrome Paint Shadow Pot in the shade Sun Drenched, and I'm just going to pop that in the middle where we left blank to create that halo effect. These chrome paints are unbelievable. If you have not tried this formula or even just swatched it in store and you will fall in love. Now I'm just blending that together so it's very seamless, like my favorite app. Next, I'm going to take our cruelty-free lashes in the style Goddess, and I'm just popping these on. These are so beautiful and so dramatic, and they are cruelty-free and vegan, so they are super fluffy and super soft without, you know, harming our fur babies. I hate doing voiceovers, guys. I'm so sorry. It's hard. It's a rough life out here. But I like putting the headphones on and speaking into the microphone because I feel like I'm in a studio. Ooh. Bless me. If you guys didn't say bless you on the other side of the computer, I'm mad at you. Next, I'm going to take our new H2O gloss in the shade Sandy Toes and put that all over my lips. I love this shade. It has just the right amount of glitter in it, so it's just super reflective and beautiful. All right, so this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. Comment down below if you own the Tarteist Pro palette and what your favorite shade is. Mine is for sure this Mod shade that I use. It is so bold and so beautiful. So comment down below what your favorite shade is, and until next time, I will see you guys soon. And there's Sour Patch Kids across the way. I'm just too lazy to go get one.